Check mic. Entry number. Mic please. Entry number 7. Nagahali sa Tanday Nabua, Camarines Sur. Tanday High School CDP Unit. Headed by the Troop Commander, Lysel Olimpo. Mary Rose Plumentera, S1. Sin Kyle Garbo, S2. Ramon Oniedo, S3. Elmer Basagre, S4. Majority Leader, Jessica Esparcia. DLC Leader, Kian Antonio. CTV Company Commander, Luis Ray Alena. Company XO, Kyla Lorzano. First Platoon Leader Boys, Melchor Bardenas. Second Platoon Leader Girls, Alexandra Toriente. Principal, Nelson Iberano. Officer in Charge, Merlity Isquilador. CTP Facilitator, Emilio Nodado. Assistant CTP Mapping Facilitator, Sergeant J.N.S. Delgaco, Reserve Philippine Army. Majority Coordinator, Jose Andro Saison. Majority Trainer, Dimi Bagasala. DLC Coordinator, Jojian Ansus. Assistant DLC Coordinator, Erickson Bermido. Ladies and gentlemen, entry number 7 from Tanday High School CTP Unit, Tanday, Nabua, Camarines Sur. Thank you very much. That was Tanday High School, Alisaw Banuan, Nabua, Camarines Sur.